Machining trades are in very high demand, with jobs available everywhere from large cities to small towns. Vernon College has invested heavily in the future of this growing workforce to provide students a state-of-the-art training and educational facility. While in the machining program, students will learn how to operate manual milling machines, lathes, grinders, and produce parts within tolerance specified on blueprints, blueprint reading, precision measurement, machining, computer numerical control or CNC machine operation, basic CNC programming, data input, and CNC machine setup and operation. Qualifying students will receive a certificate of completion at the conclusion of the program. Are you ready to find a cutting-edge career in machining? Let Vernon College help you get started. Learn more at vernoncollege.edu.